Let's make creamy homemade mango ice cream. Start by grinding sugar into a fine powder. Wash, peel, and chop to ripe mangoes. Add the mango pieces to a blender along with fresh cream and milk. Blend everything until you get a smooth, creamy mixture. Pour this into a container and seal it well. Put it in the freezer for 5 hours. After freezing, your ice cream is ready to scoop and serve. Enjoy your delicious homemade mango ice cream. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.